Okay, good. Right, good afternoon, everyone. This is just a short session in terms of placing options trades. I've been sending you out option trading opportunities, and we came up with one that has a possibility of placing an option trade on, but it's just, again, helping you go through the checks you need to do and highlight the importance of going through each step before you place your options trade. Now we've got MicroStrategy MSTR. Let's go back to the 1-year daily chart. Go back to the 1-year daily chart. Okay, so this is the 1-year daily chart. So we see we've been going through our watch list. This is a stock that has been uptrending. So remember, the first criteria is of us placing a call, and we're placing a call because the broad market is going up. So because we're looking to place a call, the first criteria is to look for stocks that are uptrending using the moving average 30, the blue line. So that's the moving average 30 is going up. So when it's going up, we're waiting for it to pull back, and that's evidence from the Williams percentage R descending to minus 80 or below, and that happened on the 12th of July. So on the 12th of July there, sorry, just get my mouse right. So on the 12th of July there, you can see that the market became oversold on that 12th of July at a Williams percentage of minus 95.44%. And then part of the criteria is to wait for the stock to now close above the moving average 7, which is this red line, is to close above the moving average 7 within 5 working days. So you can see it was oversold on that day. So day 1 was the 13th of July. It didn't actually close above the moving average 7. And day 2, which was yesterday, the close of trading yesterday, the 14th of July, it closed way above the moving average 7. So the plan is that today, we'll now place a call option on this stock, provided it keeps going up. This is the last check, and actually that's why I arranged the webinar, is to place a call option provided the value of the stock continues to rise in value a couple of hours after the trading starts, and that's the final check before you place a call option. So today we're planning to place a call option on this stock if the value of the stock continues to rise after a couple of hours of trading. So if we now drop down to the 2 days, 5 minutes, so this is the 2 days, 5 minutes. So you can see here, this is where the market, opened. And you can see initially when the market opened, the stock value went up. But you can see that if you had jumped in and placed your call option without waiting, you would have started to lose money. So this is why you wait a couple of hours to make sure the value is still going up. But you can see it started to fall. So because it's not continuing to rise, it initially went up, but now it's beginning to fall, we're not going to place a call option on that stock. So it's just highlighting that, yes, it might fulfill the criteria, but on the day you're going to place the option, you wait and make sure the value of the stock is still heading the direction you expect it to head. So if it kept going up, then yes, I'll place the call now, but because you can see it started to fall, so I will not place a call option. So that's why it's important to wait for at least 1 or 2 hours after the market has opened to see if it's still trending. Okay, so like I say, just a short session just to show you that.